Good morning, everybody. It is early. I am up. I'm drinking my first cup of coffee. In the house was good and chilly this morning, and I did not want to get out of bed, so I stole a sweatshirt from my husband. I'm losing my voice this morning, but that's okay. I'm going to work on my grocery list. I'm going to take you guys along with me shopping, and I hope you are having a fabulous morning. At Menards, there's Carol going to get the car. I got her buggy, I got my buggy, and we are waiting to get loaded up in the car. I bought 5 waters. They were $1.80 for 24, not too shabby. But every time we go out, this is what the weather's like. Well, I just got in the door and my 5 cases of water I bought today from Menards for $1 something is still out on the porch. This is my filing thing that I wanted, and my eggs and my stuff from Menards, and I'm actually going to sit down and eat me a little something, and then I'm going to unpack this and share it with you guys. Okay, let's get started and me sharing my grocery haul. Guys, I'm going to tell you how tiring it is for me to go grocery shopping without a man. I go to Aldi's and I buy all this and I bag it all. I load the car, I take the buggy back, I get back in the car, I come home, and I've gone to 2 other stores too, so I've got more loot. 5 cases of water, all of which I have to carry out of the car, up a flight of stairs and into the house. Every bit of this. And I'm tired, so tired. But I spent about $130 at Aldi's, and I don't think that I did bad, so I'm going to share with you guys what I got. I love Aldi's because every time I go to Aldi's, I feel like I don't come home with anything that I don't utilize or I don't use. It's all food, so obviously I'm not a wasteful person. You can ask my husband. I don't like to waste food. So I'm very careful to plan out my meals and to buy accordingly. There are a few items that you will see in here that I bought that are easy fixings because last week was super hectic for me, and the gospel broadcast nights and everything that I've been doing, it's just a lot to keep up with, and I just need things that are a little bit easier to fix. But with that being said, there's also some items in which our family uses a lot of, so you might see multiples of it, and it's just to kind of stock up my pantry just a wee bit, so that way I never run out. Because with me being legally blind and Ronnie being blind, we just can't drop everything, get in our car, and go to the store. We have to book a bus or a cab, Uber, or get a friend or a relative to take us. So when I go to the store now, I keep in mind that, hey, we are down to the last of the mayonnaise. So it's time to stock up the pantry because we love our mayonnaise and we go through it a lot. So that's just an example. But if you are somebody who, say you're elderly or say you are disabled like my husband and I, try to shop. My suggestion, I'm not telling you what to do, but my suggestion is to shop smarter, and, get the things in bulk that you do tend to use a lot of. Like I have a ketchup right now that I just went out of, and I have one more in the pantry, but I went ahead and got another one because we use a lot of ketchup in this house. So just an example, and you'll see some canned food items in here as well that's kind of bought the same way. So I'm just going to show you guys what I bought and be quiet. I know you guys get tired of hearing me. I get tired of hearing myself. So I got 3 mayonnaises, and I got to tell you, their brand of mayonnaise, in our opinion, is very, very good, and it's like $1 something. So you cannot beat the price because they do sell the Hellmann's brand, mayonnaise, but it's $3 and some change. So I do save money by buying their brand, and I don't see any difference. You might. I know some people are very picky about their mayonnaise, and that's okay. I got a thing of peppers. I love my peppers. And let's see, canned food. I always stock up on the black beans. Ronnie loves the black beans. Black olives. And I got some peaches. I eat the peaches. Ronnie don't like them. Some more black olives. I did stock up on the black olives, and as well as the rotel, because I put it in a lot of items that I cook. Some more black beans. Let's see here. This is another thing of peaches, black olives, and some more peaches, because in the evening I like to have a snack in the evening because I always want something, but I try to gravitate towards like a fruit instead of a cookie, if you get what I'm saying. So I got some grapes. I got some spinach. Oh my gosh, you scared me to death. I'm back. Ronnie got here early, and he scared me to death when he came in the door. When I'm not outside, the driver walks him up to the door, and it scared me while I was filming. Anyways, we've got some cottage cheese, some sour cream, some jambalaya rice, which I like. And we got some hot organic salsa. Love that salsa. It's really, really good. A pack of butter, because I always make sure that I have that kind of butter on hand in case I want to do any kind of baking, because I love to bake, and you guys watch me, so you know. This is another one of the rotels. This is our favorite spaghetti sauce. It's a tomato and basil and garlic. It is really good. Got a package of biscuits. Another thing of spaghetti sauce, because we use this sauce even when we make pizza. We got some cream cheese. I was going to say sour cream. 2 blocks of Kobe. We got a thing of hot Italian sausages. And the hot are the hardest ones to come by at the store. I don't know why. I got 2 things of this lo mein, and one is in another bag, which you won't be able to see because I accidentally snagged it and I didn't want to lose the contents, so I wrapped it up in another bag that isn't see-through. So that's why you won't be seeing that one. It's right there. We got some, they call them tater puffs, but they're tater tots. I bought these chicken breast fillets. I thought this would be good, maybe even for tonight. Just to put those in the oven and have a quick chicken sandwich with some tater tots tonight for something easy, because I've been gone all day. We got some Salisbury steak, and remember, it's just the 2 of us, so if I fix this, I can make some green beans and some mashed potatoes, and that's on the side, you know what I'm saying? So it's easy fixings right there. I'm trying to maneuver so that you can see everything. So I got some bacon. I got 2 of these actually. It's really good bacon. 2 things of mozzarella because my husband is going to want some pizza. I got 2 things of the Mexican cheese. Another thing of the cream cheese. 2 things of these egg rolls. If you guys know us, you know that we love these egg rolls. We like the chicken ones, not the pork. I bought this Asian stir fry. Now, he may not really eat that, but I will. And if there's leftovers, I'll eat on it for a couple days or whatever, because I could eat that kind of thing every day. 2 things of their brand of Pringles. A thing of wheat bread, some russet potatoes. Let's see what else. Back here, I've got my chocolate milk, my whole milk, and my coffee creamer. We've got some frozen strawberries for my shakes that I'm actually going to get to eat, I hope. I got 2 of these. This is my really go-to quick lunch. This is the Santa Fe style salads. These are amazing. I bought 2 of those. Some coconut Larox. I'm not sure if I'm even saying that right. That is our favorite. and some cereal that fell over right there I can't get to. And that, well, let's see, that's not all. In here, I've got a family pack of hamburger meat. And in this bag, I have 2 chickens, 2 whole chickens. It was 99 cents a pound today, so I got 2. And I'm probably going to put those in the oven tomorrow. I'm going to get all this put away. I'm going to make us a pot of coffee and spend some time with my husband. Okay, the remainder of stuff that I bought today, this is Menards and Office. Is it Office Depot? Let me look on here. Yeah, Office Depot. Some places have Office Max, some places have Office Depot, so I had to double check that. But from Menards, I got this Restore a Finish, and I'm going to use it on my coffee table and my banisters going up the stairs. I also bought this vanilla hazelnut coffee, so I'm going to make that today and see if Ronnie notices. I got Ronnie's favorite hand soap, and I don't think they're going to carry it anymore because it was marked down to 75 cents and they only had just a few bottles. I had 6, but she did not get the other one rung up, and she asked me if I wanted to check out again, and I said no, so I left it. So I came home with 5. These will just go into my Costco pantry, you know, where I have extra toilet paper and all that. And then I bought this. This was on sale at Office Depot. It is the embossing label maker. And I seen Christopher Allen had one of these, and I need it because I bought this filing box, as you can see here. This was on sale for $12, so I really got a good deal. It's already labeled, see, but I don't want to use those labels, not on all of them, so I'm just going to change the labels on the inside. But I love the fact that that is real bold, and this actually prints out really bold, so I'll be able to see it, and I'm going to stick it on there, and then I'll be able to file all my bills and everything in this box and keep it in here next to my chair in the living room. Well, guys, I'm going to close out this video for the evening because it is 20 to 8, and I had a very full day, and I'm tired. And we had, what did we eat tonight? We had chicken patties that I bought from Aldi's. I fixed that. I cut mine up and put them on top of a salad, and Ronnie had his as a sandwich, and we both got extremely full. And Ronnie said that those chicken patties I bought from Aldi's actually tasted better than the Tyson brand. Did you like them better than Tyson?
Much better.
I thought that they were juicier. They were less dry, and I enjoyed them a whole lot better than the Tyson brand myself. Ronnie put cheese and ranch dressing on his sandwich. He puts ranch on everything.
Oh, yes, I'm a ranch man.
He's a ranch man. Well, anyways, we are going to close this out. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Ronnie and I are watching Dallas because that's what we do every night. We watch Dallas. And that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's VEDA. And remember, I am vlogging every day for the month of April. And when I'm not vlogging for VEDA, I always have a video out Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All 3 of those days of the week. Every week. That's it. See, I'm tired, guys. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.